jumping between exposed terminals.
Boiler housing shut up, this saturated compressors. Cooling vents, car scorching vapor through cramped service bays. Turbine bearings ground beneath, punishing rotation. Hydraulic pumps hammer against swollen seals. Warning lamps, strobe overwork. Control cabinets, lubricant charge along cracked manifolds. Fan blades, scrape distorted casings, exhaust and motor stagger under relentless demand. Each strain, component transfers, heavy and low. Tornado and machinery into the entire installation. Approaches catastrophic mechanical failure from accumulated fatigue and thermal stress. Red indicators multiply, overcrowded panels. Cooling units choke on burning exhaust damage. Barren screen beneath heavy rotation. Overloaded machinery consumes its final reserve. All weakened component. Approach seizure with every second of continuous operation. Clear attraction, engine strain. Past safe capacity, turbines grind against warped housings. Warning lamps flood the room. Cooling fans lose their fight. No reserve remains, no shutdown arrives on the overload. Friction, smoke, strain, failure, sparks, fatigue, and mechanical stress.
Driving every component to a collapse.
Compressor blades deform under relentless rotational force. Ruptured hoses spray fluid on a scorching case and seas. Rollers drag against damaged shafts. Electrical cabinet shake beside failing ventilation units. Pumps stutter under impossible demand. Cracked seals leak around exhausted pistons. Maintenance gauges remain buried at maximum readings, and each struggling assembly transfers heavier strain toward adjacent equipment until the production floor becomes a chain of machines. Operating seconds from total breakdown.
Spare capacity disappears from every machine. Overheated bearings resist another rotation. Cooling capacities clogged with smoke and debris. Emergency lamps flicker above failing equipment.
While damaged components continue operating despite severe fatigue. Visible deformation, imminent seizure, engine strain. Past safe capacity, turbines run against warped housings. Warning lamps flood the room, cooling fans lose their fight. No reserve remains, no shutdown arrives, only overload, friction, smoke, strain, failure, sparks, fatigue, and mechanical stress.
Driving every component to a collapse.
Idle motors grind through damaged bearings. Warning panels flash without pause.
Not yet.
And exhausted machinery continues. Operating at the edge of catastrophic failure. Calibrated grippers descend beside numbered assembly bays. Identical carriers adventure measured in a bowl. Polished rollers rotate beneath the line components. Optical scanners inspect each surface in sequence. Pneumatic clamps close with synchronized timing. Robotic tools pivot through exact angles. Indicator panels blinking uniform patterns. Automated carts follow marked lanes without deviation. Every station completes its assigned procedure before resetting immediately for another precise repetition governed by calculated mechanical coordination and flawless timing. Parallel rows maintain equal spacing. Actuators complete identical sequences. Measured intervals separate each operation. Precision governs every rotating joint while numbered units advance. The predetermined positions with no variation. Hesitation, error, or unnecessary adjustment.
Cut too deep.
Measure steps locked in deformation. Machines repeat exact procedures. Numbered rows advance with calculated precision. No deviation enters the pattern. When motion alters the timing on the alignment. Conveyor sections deliver matching parts at equal distances. Articulated tools rotate toward predetermined coordinates. Inspection lenses sweep polished surfaces in identical arcs. Automated lifts stop at numbered heights. Sorting gates open according to fixed intervals. Precision motors maintain constant rotation. Parallel production lanes mirror one another from end to end while each completed task resets instantly and begins again with the same exact timing, placement, sequence, and controlled mechanical execution. Every unit occupies its assigned position. Each mechanical gesture follows predetermined timing. Identical procedures continue without motion
That hurt more than
eliminates irregular
anticipated.
behavior and
Perfect.
keeps the entire facility operating as one
My strength
disciplined
is to be trusted.
industrial formation. Measured steps, lock into formation machines.
Patience.
Repeat exact procedures, numbered rows advance. Calculated precision, no deviation enters the pattern. No emotion alters the timing, only alignment. Final carriers reach mark stations. Final carriers reach mark stations. Final carriers reach mark stations.
Even I have
Under flawless
these rituals
mechanical
require
precision and timing.
patience.
Yeah, turbochargers, high concrete dividers. Engines punch through empty expressway tunnels. Tires bite black asphalt under brutal torque. Exhaust flames burst behind carbon diffusers. Suspension compressors over expansion joints. Transmission shifts crack beneath elevator ramps. Lane markers blur under charging chassis. Steering inputs sharpen through sweeping bends. Each throttle strike adds another violent shove.
While relentless propulsion drives every machine faster toward distant exits with uncompromising forward force.
Engines hammer through narrow lanes. Drivetrains deliver crushing thrust at full throttle.
Tires claw
Harder through tightening curves. Rapid acceleration throws each chassis toward open roadway.
while concrete barriers
Street beside vibrating windows.
and exhaust flames slash behind.
Heated resonance.
Engines surge with ruthless acceleration. Tires hammer the pavement. Gearboxes snap the ratios. Barriers disappear behind spinning wheels. No slowdown.
Interrupts the charge. Only velocity, thrust, traction, torque, asphalt.
Exhaust force and relentless propulsion.
Driving every machine forward before is.
Resistance can close the route.
Twin turbines scream as throttles lock. Fully open rear wheels digging the rough pavement before launching. Heavy chassis ahead. Overpasses flash overhead in fractured seconds. Concrete walls streak beside.
Shaking mirrors, transmission gears slam under punishing load. Exhaust pressure punches from heated pipes.
Every shift adds another savage burst until charging. Vehicles tear past merging lanes, steep ramps, narrow bends, and distant junctions with
Unstoppable mechanical drive.
brake pedals remain untouched through the charge. Open lanes vanish beneath spinning tires.
Engines pull harder as road markings.
Dissolve behind in brutal inertia.
Carries every chassis.
Farther ahead before drag
Steal another fraction.
of speed from the attack.